morning, friends. Welcome back to another video. We've done a couple videos on the Z Grill's pellet grill that I purchased a few months ago, and I thought I'd do a video on cleaning it. We've burned it probably around 10 times and I haven't cleaned it yet. Most of them have been short cooks, maybe like 45 minutes to an hour. I did one long cook on it for a few hours. But let's clean it and we'll see what it looks like inside after all these burns. We'll start by going around it here and just checking out how dirty the outside is. There's some, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, some spillage splatter there, some dust from the pellets. Back here where the smoke, sorry about the sun, the smoke comes out, there's not much. Well, I guess there is some there, but I haven't cleaned the outside at all yet. So that's been probably 30 or 40 cooks on it. But since I've cleaned the inside, it's been about 10. I don't think the manual says a specific amount of time to clean it, because that would be kind of hard to determine. It just says clean it frequently. So I'm kind of experimenting on how long by the normal cooks before I have to clean it. So we'll start by taking the racks out. This top one's just smoky, a little bit of stuff on it. Don't use that top much or haven't yet. Get these ones out. Grease shield out. That's dirty. That's really bad. That's where all the drippings burn onto. Okay, now this is after we've taken all the grates out and that drip shield, and this is all the ash in there. I don't think it's too bad for about 10 cooks. All right, let's get this vacuumed out. Okay, for the outside, they say just to use some warm soapy water. No spray on chemicals, anything like that. So I've got some warm soapy water here, so let's get this cleaned up and then we'll get on to the grates. Okay, that's pretty much it for the outside. Now we'll get onto these grates. I'm just going to use the same soapy water, just a brush. Okay, I'm just going to scrub these with soapy water. Okay, for this, I'm going to go scrape most of this off that I can into the trash. We got most of it off there. Okay, that was about it. So we're just going to put everything back in. There was one part I forgot, drip tray. We'll get that in a second here. There's a little bit in there. I don't know if you can see that good. And it's, yeah. So we're gonna scrape that out in the trash can. I'll be right back. Okay, I scraped all that out into the trash can. Now I did spray this with some cleaner because my warm soapy water is all not so warm and soapy anymore. And then all nice and clean now. Okay, so that's how we clean the Z-Grill's pellet grill. Not too bad. Not a lot of ash in there for about 10 burns. But this is my first pellet grill. I'm trying to learn how long I can go before I need to clean it. I don't want to go too long because I've heard stories of people not cleaning it and they catch on fire. So what do you guys think of the process? Those of you who have them, do you do anything different? Anything I should do different? What do you guys use to scrape your grates that aren't going to damage them if they're porcelain coated? How long do you guys go between burns before you clean it? Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, help me out with the channel. Let me know what I can do better, what you liked, what you didn't like. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.